Attention all medical science and life science students. Are you ready to unlock a world of opportunity in the healthcare industry? Introducing AMC, Advanced Medical Coding, CPC Certified Professional Coders, and CRC, Certified Risk Adjustment Coders, brought to you by Metacodify. At Metacodify, we provide comprehensive training that equips you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the field of medical coding. Our courses covers everything from anatomy and physiology to medical terminology and coding guidelines. With the blend of theoretical knowledge and practical experience, you will be prepared to tackle the real-world coding scenarios with confidence. But that's not all. Medical coding isn't just a job. It's a gateway to a fulfilling career in healthcare. Whether you aspire to work in hospitals, clinics, insurance companies, or even from the comfort of your own home, our courses will pave the way for your success. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to join the ranks of certified professional coders. Enroll with Metacodify today and take the first step towards a rewarding career in medical coding.